Hey love, so today we are back with an organize with me video. I have so many charms, all types of charms, dangling charms, oversized charms, a bunch of stuff here to organize. So I'm like, you know what, why don't I make a video about it? I feel like a lot of people would probably enjoy that or find it soothing or whatever. So as you guys can see, I have a lot and this is just some of it. So I wanted to go ahead and get ready and start doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and try to fill this box up, which obviously I'm gonna need more room, so I'm gonna have to go and look for something to see if I have more of these type of containers, which I really doubt it, so that sucks. But anyways, I'm just gonna go and place this aside really quickly. This is what it looks like after I was just done trying to place as many charms as possible in here. This is what it looks like. So now we're gonna move on to the second. I wanted to ask you guys a question. What are your favorite type of charms? Do you guys like kawaii charms, chunky charms, larger charms, or the smaller / medium type of charms? Let me know. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. Or do you guys prefer gold or silver charms? And let me know which ones are your favorite. So let me know what you guys think so far about this video. Do you guys like the way that I organize my charms? Let me know down below the ways that you guys organize your charms. I would love to know. And let me know about your collections. I honestly love seeing people's collections here on YouTube or on TikTok. I absolutely love these type of videos like these organized with me and stuff like that. So let me know the way that you guys organize your charms or any type of nail art. I would definitely love to know. Don't forget to leave them down below in the comments. I wanted to come on here really quickly and mention that these particular boxes that I'm placing charms in right at the moment, these are actually nail tip boxes. I just removed all the nail tips from these containers and then I used them for my bigger charms because they had bigger slots and they were a little bit more like deep in depth. So that's another thing that I needed, and they honestly worked out super great. So yeah, just in case you guys are wondering, that is what I got these from. And I'm probably going to continue doing that just because it's just a lot that I have to organize, and I definitely want to bring out as much content as I possibly can for you guys. So thank you for those who support me, who still watch my channel. I do try really hard every day if I'm able to post and stuff like that. Sometimes I like to post even twice in a day. So yeah, thank you guys once again for supporting me, and I'll let you guys enjoy. So that is it for today's video. These are all the boxes that we organized in today's Organize My Charms with Me, and I definitely have a lot of more of these type of videos coming. If you guys are interested, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down below about today's video. Did you guys enjoy my charms? Did you enjoy this video? Is it relaxing to you? Let me know. These are definitely my bigger type of charms. I honestly like to collect every single type of charm, whether it's itty bitty, medium size, small size, large size. I love collecting all different types. I love collecting nail art. It's really exciting for me. I don't necessarily use it, but it's more just like collecting it, and I don't know, it's just a really good feeling having a variety of charms. I do consolidate them. It was actually a comment long ago from one of my subscribers, or yeah, one of the people who follow me here on YouTube. So thank you so much for that advice. So ever since then, that's what I've been doing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload.